Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make custom acrylic keychains using Cricut. This process is very easy and they are perfect for personal use or gift. I'm going to go ahead and start working with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. These designs are very easy. We're going to go to the shapes and we're going to insert a circle. The acrylic keychains measure 2 inches diameter, so the circle is going to be 2 inches. I'm going to change the color to white. I'm going to grab this paintbrush stroke and I'm going to place it on top of the circle. If you don't see it on the circle, go to Arrange and bring it to the front. If you would like to use these paintbrush strokes, I invite you to visit my blog and download them. They are free. I'm going to link them in the video description below. Now we're going to add text. Click on the T on the left and start typing on the canvas. To change the font, select the text, go to font. If you pay the membership, click on Cricut. If you don't, click on System, and there you're going to see the list of fonts that you have downloaded on your computer. Select the one of your choice. Resize it, and now I'm going to change the color to white because I'm going to be using white vinyl to cut the letters, the text. And that is it, it's ready. You can add more details if you wish. Also, instead of the paintbrush stroke, you can add a heart, a flower silhouette, etc. I'm going to cut these 4 over here, but before I'm going to remove the circles on the back. And to cut all of the paintbrushes on one mat, I'm going to change the color to purple to all of them. But on the cutting mat, I'm going to put different colors of vinyl. This to save me time. Click on Make It. Here we have the text, then the letter P in black and the paintbrushes. I'm going to organize them on the cutting mat. I'm going to separate them so I can place different colors of vinyls on the cutting mat. Continue. And here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. In this case, vinyl. I'm cutting permanent vinyl. Now we're going to wet the vinyl. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer the vinyl to the acrylic circles. I bought these keychain accessories on Amazon. I'm going to link them in the video description down below. It comes with the acrylic circle, a chain, a ring, and a tassel. Remove the protective film on both sides, and to transfer the vinyl, we're going to need transfer tape. I'm going to link all of these supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. Place the transfer tape on top of the vinyl, remove the paper, align it in the acrylic circle. The paintbrush stroke is going to go on the back of the acrylic circle. I'm going to transfer the text on the front. Make sure it doesn't have bubbles. And that easy, we already have a beautiful custom keychain. Now I'm going to assemble it. As you can see, it's very easy to make these beautiful acrylic keychains using Cricut and vinyl. They are perfect for personal use or for gifts. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I want to thank you for coming to my channel and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do so. It really lets me know that you value the kind of content that I'm giving you, and to be honest, it inspires me and keeps me going. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.